I can't tell you how many times I've reached the point in the month where I'm like, I just want like a burger or some chicken or just something that's like meat. For this 30-day challenge, I wanted to do something kind of similar to the water thing and how it affected me and my health and everything. But I wanted to try being a vegetarian for an entire month. And thankfully, Abigail said that she would join me in doing this. Now, she doesn't eat meat as much just because of other reasons I don't feel like explaining. My first thoughts though, I'm not looking forward to like thinking about how much meat that I eat or I consume on a daily basis. So like, for example, going to Chick-fil-A, I can't just get a chicken sandwich because it's chicken, or just in anything that I like just eat on a normal basis. Now, because we did know that we were going to do this month, we did try to plan ahead and look at Pinterest or just ask friends or do whatever means necessary to get some meals that we could do, specifically dinners. I am interested to see how I feel overall because I know a lot of meat has grease in it whenever you cook it and stuff like that. I'm just interested to see how that affects my body, if I'll feel better overall. I feel like I've been enjoying it. More so the like figuring out what I can eat and how many things I can mix together. I mean, if I'm being honest with myself, most of it meal planning wise was definitely Abby. I also went to Taco Bell and they have a really good like vegetarian option. I got their black bean Crunchwrap Supreme, which is good, but at the same time, it's like if you're expecting meat or beef, then you kind of can't like really enjoy it as much. We also did have some like vegetarian pot stickers, which were really good. Those are homemade except for the shell or skin or whatever you want to call it. I think the biggest issue I'm finding is that I'm always like, I'm not full after some meals. Like I feel like I eat a lot, but it's just not, I'm still hungry. I mean, that's just what it is. I think the hardest thing I had to do was I was filming for an event, and at this event for lunch, they had Chick-fil-A catered. And so I ate a salad, which was very sad. And then I had to edit a video that same night, and I was editing the video and I'm sitting at this circle table and I'm like sitting there and they bring in the leftover Chick-fil-A boxes. And so eventually it's like 5 boxes high of Chick-fil-A like circled around me, and I'm just sitting there editing and just disgusted because I can't eat a single thing. And with the way this whole coronavirus thing is shaping out, I don't know what my first meal will be in April regarding like meat and everything, because I don't know if I'll be able to leave the house, but we'll see. So the short conclusion is that I would give it a solid 6.5 out of 10 as far as how much I enjoyed it. My favorite meal was definitely, it was actually veggie burgers. And not only did we have a veggie black bean burger, we put like a fried egg on top of it with some kind of chipotle ranch sauce, and honestly it was the closest thing to meat, at least for me, that I could experience during this time. About halfway through the month, a book that Abigail ordered finally came in, and it was just filled with all these vegetarian recipes. And the funny thing is like now, which it's April now, I can see myself eating more of these vegetarian meals. As far as health goes, I feel like I feel better. I'm not exactly sure. I can definitely assure you that there's not, like, you know how sometimes when you eat a meal, you can just feel all that grease and it's just heavy on your stomach right after you eat it? It definitely doesn't feel as, I've never had that feeling during any of the meals that I've had. Would I do it again? Maybe. Would I encourage you to do it? Probably not, unless you already are a vegetarian. In case I didn't say it before, I don't have anything against anybody that's a vegetarian. I think my sister-in-law is actually a vegetarian, and I don't know, I just wanted to try it for myself. It was nothing weird. I don't know, once you read the title and you probably didn't think it was that hard, but if you are someone that loves chicken, beef, steak, whatever, think about how hard it would be for you to do it. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It would definitely mean a lot. If you were considering trying vegetarian, I hope that this video kind of inspires you to either do it or not do it, or just try some different recipes. This doesn't mean that I'm gonna not try vegetarian meals, so if you have any vegetarian recipes that I should try, please let me know down in the comments below. But until next time, that's all I got for now. Bye.